Hello all, welcome to the applications of higher order differential equation. Next example is an electric current consists of an inductance 0.1 Henry, a resistance R of 20 ohm and a condenser of capacitance C of 25 microfarad. If the differential equation of electric circuit is L d2q by dt square plus R dq by dt plus q by C is equal to 0, then find the charge q and the current I at any time t. Given that t is equal to 0, q is equal to 0.05 kilo, I is equal to dq by dt is equal to 0 when t is equal to 0. So here conditions are given at t is equal to 0, q value is 0.05 and I is equal to 0 when t is equal to 0. Given differential equation is L d2q by dt square plus R dq by dt plus q by c is equal to 0. Now what are the values of L, R and C? So L is given as 0. L is equal to 0.1 Henry. Next, R is given as 20 ohm and capacitance C is given as 25 microfarad. But we want this answer in terms of farad, so it is equal to 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. 1 microfarad is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Now substituting all these values in this differential equation, it is 0.1 d2q by dt square plus 20 dq by dt plus q, as it is 1 by c is 1 upon 25 into 10 to the power minus 6 q is equal to 0. Now divide whole equation by 0.1. So d2q by dt square plus 20 divided by 0.1 dq by dt plus 10 to the power 6 divided by 0.1 into 25 q, it is equal to 0. Here right hand side is 0, so only CF will be the solution of this differential equation. Here EMF, applied EMF is 0. So d2q by dt square plus 20 by 1 is 200 dq by dt plus this is 25 into 0.1 is 2.5, so it is 10 to the power 7 by 25. 10 to the power 7 by 25 is 4 lakh. So this is 40000 multiplied by q is equal to 0. Now write d by dt as d. So this differential equation become d square plus 200 d plus 4 lakh multiplied by q is equal to 0. Now find out its CF. CF is equal to auxiliary equation is m square plus 200m plus 4 lakh is equal to 0. So m is equal to minus b plus minus b plus minus square root of b square, that is 40000 minus 4ac, so it is 4 lakh divided by 2a. So this is 2, which is equal to, if we solve it further, it is minus 100 plus minus 100 root of 39i. Minus 100 plus minus 100 root 39i. So what is alpha? Alpha is equal to minus 100 and beta is equal to 100 root 39. Now write down alpha is equal to minus 100 and beta is equal to 100 root 39. So write down CF for this. It is CF is equal to e to the power minus 100 multiplied by t in bracket C1 cos 100 root 39t plus C2 sine of 100 root 39t. So here CF is nothing but the solution and dependent variable is Q. So this is the solution for Q. Q is equal to e to the power minus 100t in bracket C1 cos of 100 root 39t plus C2 sine 100 root 39t. Now condition is given for current as well as charge. So we want here current also. I is equal to small I, we can denote it is equal to dq by dt, which is equal to, use product rule. So it is e to the power minus 100t as it is in bracket derivative of cos is minus sine. So minus 100 root 39 multiplied by c1 sine 100 root 39t plus c2, that is 100 root 39 multiplied by C2 cos of 100 root 39t. So this is first term. Second term is plus derivative of this e to the power minus 100t is minus 100 into e to the power minus 100t in bracket, second bracket remain as it is C1 cos of 100 root 39t plus C2 sine of 100 root 39t. So this is second bracket. Now given that this is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. Given that Q is equal to 0.05. Q is equal to 0.05 when T is equal to 0. Put in 1. So Q is equal to 0. Put in equation number 1. So it becomes 0.05 is equal to e to the power minus 100 into t. T value is 0. So it is 1. C1 cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. So this is equal to C1. C1 is equal to C1 is equal to 0.05. Now C2 is equal to find out C2, use equation number 2. I is equal to 0 when T is equal to 0. Put in equation 2. So I is equal to 0, e to the power 0 is 1 minus 100. Sin 0 is 0. So first term is 0. Second term is 100 root 39. 100 root 39 into C2. Cos 0 is 1 minus 100 e to the power 0 1. Cos 0 is 1. So here C1. Say from second bracket only C1 is remaining. So 100 root 39 multiplied by C2 is equal to 100 C1. So C1 value is known to us, which is 0.05. So C2 is equal to 100 divided by 100 root 39 multiplied by 0.05. So 100 get cancelled. C2 is equal to 0.05 divided by root 39. This is the value of C2. Now substituting C1 and C2 in given equation, we get charge as well as current. So Q is equal to e to the power minus 100 into T. In bracket C1 is 0.05 cos of 100 root 39 T as it is plus C2 is 0.05 divided by root 39 multiplied by sine of 100 root 39 T. This is charge and current I is equal to e to the power minus 100 T in bracket minus 100 root 39 multiplied by C1. C1 is 0.05 multiplied by sine of 100 root 39t plus 100 root 39 multiplied by C2. C2 value is 0.05 divided by root 39. So root 39 will get cancelled, multiplied by cos of 100 root 39t minus 100 times e to the power minus 100t in bracket C1 is 0.05 cos of 100 root 39t plus C2 sine of C2 is 0.05 divided by root 39. So this is plus 0.05 divided by root 39 multiplied by sine of 100 root 39t. So combine it and taking sine and cos term, combine sine and cos term, you will get current. Thank you.